1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
Hi beautiful people of the internet, I'm known Elizabeth, and if you know who she is, I love you. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akela. If you're new, if you're not new, how you doing, how have you been? Today we have another episode of Beast on a Budget, where I show y'all where to get some really dope shoes for the low, and I have another pair of foam runners, my Yeezy foam runners. I have one pair already and I absolutely love them, and I really need to pick up the black pair, so I have a pair right here. Thank you to cnfashion for sending me these, sponsoring today's video. So let's just open them up. We'll say they took about 2 weeks to get her, maybe a little bit less, but around 2 weeks to get her. So shipping was pretty decent. That's around average for any kind of shoe that I've received. So yeah, it comes in the box. It's a little beaten up due to travel, but we don't need the box anyway, child. We open her up, and here they are, the foam runners. So you do get all of the StockX stuff, and you already know how I feel, girl. If you know they replicas, babe, don't pass them off as if they're real. And then there's also a little card from CN Fashion with just their website and their Instagram and all of that good stuff. It has the tissue paper in it as well. So they're mineral blue, not midnight blue, Sakela. But yeah, so this is them right here. Everything about them in terms of design, like shape and whatnot, is really good. I did not realize that these have blue in them. That's so cool. But they are overall a black shoe, but under these at the sole, if you can see that, I am sure you can, like the bottom of it has like this dark navy-ish blue color to it. That's so cool. So yeah, so these are them. I do have them in the sand color as well, which is like a cream color. Wear them all the time, like all the time. They're literally like Crocs. Like I just throw them on if I need to go run an errand. Like I absolutely love them. So I wanted to get these ones because they would obviously go with a lot more. They're really well done. So I got them in a US 9, a Euro 43, which I think is a US 9. I'm not sure, because whenever I don't know why, but with the foam runners, whenever I get them, the US and UK size is the same, and it's not the same in real life. Like a UK 7 is a US 8, but it says US 9, UK 9. But I got them in a European 43 because the 42 was too small. And I think these, in my opinion, from what I hear of worn, these are something that you have to size up in. I really like them. They're done really well, again because of the fact that like the blue is so, if you ain't really looking at your shoe, I didn't even notice it when I first looked at the shoe, is that it had blue, and I put them on my feet and everything. So if you're not looking really hard, you wouldn't even know that this is even the color that it is. So they are done really well, and I'm really happy with them. They do have the little tag with the rope tied around, foam runners, you know, Yeezy. I feel like it's not picking up very well on camera because it's a bit, everything's always washed out, child. But really like these, really like them. CN Fashion is becoming my favorite company. Everything that I ever receive is of really good quality, and it comes within a decent amount of time, and it's not very expensive. I know some people get upset about the prices of reps, which I can understand, but you do pay for what you get. You do get what you pay for, because I have seen some not nice reps that are for cheap, and you can see why they are the price that they are. So yeah, keep that in mind when you do get on these sites. Like if they're over $100, think about why they might be. Anyway, so yeah, these are them. Really glad that I have them. They're going to very much be an everyday shoe, because anything black you can wear with absolutely anything, and I really wanted to get these, and so I'm glad that I have them now. And yeah, we're gonna get into a bit of on foot, and we're gonna put together a couple of outfits, and then we are going to end this video.
recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you'd put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
So yeah guys, so this is the end of the video. These are the Midnight, I keep saying it, Mineral Blue foam runners, Feezy foam runner part 2, and I really like them, really happy with them. Let me know in the comments down below if this is a shoe that you think that you need to have or not. Would you rather get Crocs or foam runners? I'm not really a Croc fan. I've tried on a pair of Crocs. They make my feet look enormous and they're already big enough as it is. So I like these. These are my Crocs. They're made of the same material, the same little rubber situation, and they're so comfortable, like so comfortable. So yeah, let me know if it's a shoe that you feel like you would actually get, or if it's a pass and you're just like, girl, it's too much for me. It's a bit too out of the box. I'm not too sure about this one. Let me know. But yeah guys, everything will be linked down below if you want to go ahead and purchase anything that you saw in this video. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you know you want to be lit with me. Turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I will see y'all in my next one. Peace out, Girl Scout. Check you later.
We could've been, think about what we could've been, we could've been, we could've.